Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Calm Speak English. How was your day? I hope it was peaceful. Tonight, we will practice English with a calm evening routine. The goal is to relax your mind and improve your speaking naturally. I will say a short sentence, then I will pause. Please repeat after me. Speak softly. Let's begin. Section 1. Disconnecting from work. It is finally evening. I finish my work for the day. I close my laptop. I put my phone on silent mode. I take a deep breath. The busy day is over. Now it is my time to rest. Section 2. Comfort at home. I change into comfortable clothes. I go to the kitchen to make some tea. I love the smell of hot tea. The cup feels warm in my hands. I sit down on the sofa. I feel safe and relaxed here. Section 3. Now I want to quiet my mind. I do not check social media. Instead, I listen to soft music. I pick up a book to read. Reading helps me forget about stress. The house is quiet and peaceful. Section 4. Getting ready for bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with warm water. I brush my teeth slowly. I look in the mirror and smile. I feel clean and fresh. I am ready to sleep. Section 5. Sleep and gratitude. I walk to my bedroom. The lights are dim and soft. I get into my bed. The pillow is soft. I pull up the blanket. I close my eyes. I think of one good thing about today. I feel grateful. My body is heavy and relaxed. Good night, world. Sweet dreams. Well done. You did a great job today. Listening and repeating is the best way to learn. If this video helped you relax, please subscribe for more calm English stories. See you in the next video.